गोपीश गोपिकान्त राधाकान्त तप्तकाञ्चन गौराङ्गी राधे वृन्दावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि ॐ वृन्दावै तुलसी देव्यै प्रिया वै केशवस्य च कृष्णभक्ति प्रदे देवी सप्तभक्ति श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री श्रीवासादि श्री गौरभक्तवृंद हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे. So first of all I offer my humble respectful Dandavat Pranam Lotus feet of Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Silavaman Goswami Maharaj and Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Silavaman Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously offer my humble respectful Dandavat Pranam Lotus feet of Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Swami Maharaj, Srila Gauraganda Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Raka Sridhar Goswami Maharaj, Bhakti Pramod Puri Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnava and Vaishnavis and present in order of my respectful guest. So just morning I want to speak about Bhajan Rahasya Grantha. Bhajan Rahasya. Bhajan means what is meaning bhajan? Bhajan means to serve. Bhajate sebayate iti bhajanam. Bhajdhatu sebaya. And rahasya means secret, confidential. So the confidential about our serve to divine couple Radha and Krishna. And one is called bhajan, another is called sadhan. Sadhan and bhajan, not same thing. Externally we are saying sadhan and bhajan. Sadhan means to practice. Or bhajan means to direct, to serve our Ishtadev with our transcendental form. That's Sanskrit word there goes Siddha Deha Seva. Siddha Deha Seva. A sadhan, we are practicing how to attain our perfection goal. Generally people, they are thinking both are same. But when you deeply analyze, sadhan and bhajan not same thing. Kriti saddha bhavit saddha sa sadhana vidha nitta siddhasya bhavasya prakatang hridi sadhate. This is the simple definition of sadhan. And for this regard, this is called sadhana bhakti. One who practices devotional service to Lord with his limbs and body. And always thinking how to remove all kinds of anarthas, unwanted things from our heart. And so, then on the platform of Sandhini, then Sambit and Hladini will manifest. And so Kriti Saddha Bhavit Saddha Sadhana Vidha Nitya Siddhasya Prak Nitya Siddhasya Bhavasya Prakatang Hridi Sadhate. How to attain the sprinkle mood of Brajavasis? Those are eternal associate of Lord Krishna Natta Parikar. And so sadhana bhakti is two functions. One is called how to remove all kinds of our anarthas, anartha nivrittis. Because in sadhak heart many kinds of anarthas and unwanted things. Lust, anger, enviousness, this thing. Greed for enjoying the material sense gratifications. Anger coming also. And deep also illusion, and so deep attachment with the material sense gratifications. This is the nature of the conditions. So the love, lop, moho, mod, masterjo, enviousness, jealousy to others. So in the sadhak stage, sadhak have to remove all these anarthas. And also Sarubraham, Hidaya Durbullo, or Asatristan, Aparad, Duskritva Anartha, Sukruti Utta Anartha, Bhakti Utta Anartha, and Aparad Utta Anartha. Many kinds of anartha is there. So sadhana bhakti's first two functions. One is called how to remove all the anarthas from our heart. A second, when our heart will be neat and clean, then how will receive one the sprinkle mood of the Brajavasis. And that the sprinkle mood of Brajavasi manifested on the platform of Sandhini. Sandhini means existence. Then on the platform of Sandhini, then another two things will be manifest. That is called Sambit and Hladini. Sambit means like a transcendental knowledge. Or Hladini means that the blissfulness. Ananda. So Brajavasis, those are eternal associates of Krishna, Krishna Nitya Parikar. They have spontaneous love and affection with Krishna because they are called the manifestation of internal potency of Lord. That is called Sarvashakti Prakash. They are not Jiva Tattva. Subal, Sridham, Nanda, Jasoda, Radhika, Gopis, and all they are called Nitya Siddha Parikar. They are not Jiva Tattva. So, sadhakas, this is the aim and object, how to receive one, the sprinkle mood of the Brajavasis. Here Brajavasi means those are the eternal associate of Krishna, Krishna Nitya Parikar. Just one sprinkle mood come. And so saying, Kriti Saddha, Bhavit Saddha, Sadhana Vidha, Nitya Siddhasya Bhavasya Prakatta Hridi Sadhate. This is sadhana bhakti. Or when sadhaka's heart will be neat and clean, after sadhana bhakti, then sadhaka will come. Second stage, that is called bhava bhakti. So definition of bhava bhakti, also Suddha Satta Visheshatma Prema Sujjang Sambhavaka Ruchi Vichitta Marsun Atu Bhavochate. Suddha Satta Vishesh Atma. Suddha Satta Visheshatma Prema Sujjang Sambhavaka. Prem Rupi Surja. The divine love of Krishna as like rays of the sun. And so now coming on the rays of the sun, of the divine love of Radha and Krishna or Nitya Brajavasi, manifested in the Suddha Satta, when heart will be neat and clean. No any material desire in there. That is called that place you come. So Suddha Satta Vishayatu Prema Sujjangsa Sammaka Bhava. Ruchi Vichat Chitta Marshana Kridas. Ruchi bhi Kanti bhi. Or when the just the rays of the sun of the divine love of Nitya Siddha Brajavasi, then heart will be very soft. Then automatically the ecstatic mood manifests in the heart of the sadhakas. Romancha Kampasru Vaivarna. Romancha, the hair stand and end. And kampa means shaking. Body will be start to shake. Osru, tears coming down from his eyes. This is the symptom also. That is called Asattik Vikar. Welcome. So Suddha Satta Vishayatma Prema Sujjang Bhava Ruchi bhi Chitta Smarshana. And Ruchi, so much taste will come to chanting holy names. Remembering pastimes of Krishna, glorify pastimes of Krishna, that is called Savan Kirtan Ruchi. Ruchi means taste. And if you just give an example, if you are very hungry, then any kind of food will come. You will be eat, very love and affection. Or if you are not hungry, many kinds of food will come. Many kinds of delicious food will come. Then your many question marks will come. When you are not hungry, that time question marks coming. Who cooked? Who offered? The prasad is coming from where? Many questions will come. This is salt, this is not salt. Coming or not? Many questions will come. Or if you are hungry, just to close your eyes without question, eating. So this is the symptom also. So that means when sadhak will come in the stage of ruchi, that time so much taste will come. Chanting holy names, Shravan, very eager to listen Hari Katha. Kirtan, glorify pastimes of Lord. Three things are very important. There are 9 limbs of Suddha Bhakti. Shravanam, Kirtan, Vishnu, Smaranam, Pada, Sivanam, Achan, Bandhanam, Dasa, Sakka, Atma Nivedanam. Iti Pungsarvita Vishnu, Bhaktischet, Navalakshana. There are 9 limbs of Suddha Bhakti. But when sadhak will come in the stage of ruchi, and that time three things are very important he will give. Shravan, Kirtan and Smaran. So much eagerness will come to listen Hari Katha. Tava kathamritam tapta jivanam kavi vireditam kalma sahapaham Shravana mangalam srimadattatam bhuviginnanti te bhuridayana tava kathamritam tapta jivanam kavi vireditam kalma sahapaham bhuviginnanti te bhuridayana. Ruchi stage. So much eagerness will come. You have listened Hari Katha. Arun, if sadhak had contaminated with the anarthas, that not taste will come. Okay? So now coming in this way, Ruchi-bhi, there are two meanings of Ruchi-bhi. Ruchi-bhi, Kanti-bhi, effulgence. Or Ruchi-bhi, so much taste will come also. So the Suddha Satta, Visheshatma, Premo, Sujjang, Sammabhako. Prithibhi, Ruchi-bhi. So Ruchi-bhi means so much Ruchi will come. Taste will come. You have to listen. As like the cows of Vrindavan, the birds of Vrindavan, how they have love and affection with Krishna. Yes. So now coming in here, just a Suddha Satta, Vishayatma, Prema, Surjang Sambhavako, Ruchi bhi Chitta Samarjan, Kidosu Bhavochate. Heart will be neat and clean. On the platform of Sandhini, then Sambit and Radhu will manifest. Then heart will be overjoyed. Okay. Transcendental knowledge and transcendental bliss will come. Two things. What is it? Aprakita Gyan and Aprakita Ananda. Automatically manifest. So saying this verse. ये शुद्ध सत्य विषयात्मा प्रेम सुजंग समभाव को रुचि भी चित्त स्मार्शनो कृद स्वभाव उच्चते दिजकल भाव भक्ति का देवकांतरावर्तकारक्तं विरक्ति मानसन्नता आशाबंधु समुत्कंठा नामे गाने सदा रुचि आसक्ति तद गुणानुख्याने प्रतितौर वसति स्थले इत्तुर्जो सुराजुत भावंकुरी जने. Prabhu Goswami Pada explained in Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. In this verse, there are 9 external symptoms of Bhava Bhakti, or there are 3 internal symptoms of Bhava Bhakti. Understand? Khantra Bharta Karatang Bhaktiman Sunnata Asabandhu Samutkanta Namagane Sadaruchi Asakti Tad Gunanukhane Pratitad Vasati Sthali Itturjo Surajata Bhavankure Jane. There are 9 external symptoms of Bhava Bhakti. Shanti, his mind very calm and quiet, peaceful mind. As like Parikshit Maharaj. Parikshit Maharaj, when he heard, after 7 days, the Takshak snake will come and bite him and he will die. But Parikshit Maharaj's mind not disturbed. He has a lot of wealth of money, many things. So for this thing, what to do now? Huh? So he called many sadhu rishis. Different sadhu gave that different instruction to him. Hey Maharaj, you have a lot of wealth of money. You give donation. Because after 7 days you will die. Huh? If you have a lot of money, what will do? If you are, no, after 7 days I will die. What will do? Enjoy the sense gratification? Well, no. Huh? In the same way, Parikshit Maharaj, he asked all the sadhu, rishi, munis. They gave different instruction to him. Karmi sadhu saying, oh, you give donation to that, then you will get punya karma. Then after your death, you will go heaven, Sargaloka. Gyanis, they told, oh, you acquire knowledge, Jnanad Mukti. Then you attain Brahmaloka. Brahmaloka. Yogis, they told Maharaj, you perform yoga. And yoga prasad you attain to Paramatma. Yogis going in where? Have to merge in Paramatma, super soul. But Parikshit Maharaj, Sukadeva Goswami, what did he say? And etat nirviddha mananam ichchatam akuto bhayam yoginam upi nirnam harer namanukirtan. And hey Maharaj, Parikshit, I am not giving the conclusion. Who is saying? Sukadeva Goswami Pad. Sukadeva Goswami Pad, he is saying to Maharaj. Kormi, Gyani, Yogis, all Rishimunis giving their own conclusion. Sukadeva Goswami Pad is saying, I am giving the conclusion which is from all our previous acharya. I am not saying these words. Who is saying? All our previous acharya. So saying, etad nirviddha mananam michchatam akuto bhayam yoginang upi nirnita haran namanukirtanam. Nam Sankirtan. Especially Kali Yuga has come. Because Krishna sadhamapagati, when Krishna departed from this material world, from that day, Kali Yuga has come. So saying this. So in this Kali Yuga, Hare Namanukirtanam. In this Kali Yuga, there are no any other process attend to Lord. No sadhati mang yogam, no sanka dharma uddhava, no sadhas tapus tyago jatha, bhaktir mama varjita. Uddhavji, he asked to Lord, in this Kali Yuga, how will attain our perfection goal? Then give this example. In this Kali Yuga, Nam Sankirtan. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Kali Yuga में केवल नाम अधरा सुमेरु न उतरे ही पारा. तुलसीदास जी, रामचरितमानस, दिस वर्स. कलि युग में केवल नाम आधार. इन दिस कलि युग only नाम संकीर्तन. By the performing karma, jnana, yoga, tapasya, you can't attain highest perfection. In the Kali Yuga, only one process, that is called Hare Nama, Hare Nama, Harer Namiva Kevalam. Kalu Nasteva, Nasteva, Nasteva Gatirannata. Very powerful. 3 times he is saying. What is he saying? Harinam, Harinam, Harinam. 3 times. Harinam, Harinam, Harinamiva Kevalam. Or saying Harinam, Harinam, Harinam. Kalu Nasteva, Nasteva, Nasteva. In this Kali Yuga, not possible attain to Lord by the performing of karma, jnana, yoga, tapasya. This Kali Yuga, very easy to attain to Lord. What process? Nama Sankirtan. Harinamanu Kirtan. Namanu, Nam means Harinam, Harikatha Kirtan. This is the process. So saying, Eto then with the Mananam Chatamakudho Vayam Joginang api Ninno Harir Namanu Kirtana. Nam Sankirtan. You perform many kinds of austerities, many kinds of your duty and responsibility, this is true. But if you did not chant holy names, all your endeavors, all your service were useless. Yatha Ghishme Bhasse Khitakaha. Bhasse, understand? Chai, dust. If you put the ghee on the ashes, what benefit you will get? Useless. You have to put the ghee in the fire. But if you dropping the food, dropping the ghee on the ashes. So in the same way, if you perform bhajan sadhana, many things, but if you not chant holy names, you will not get any benefit. Servicing many, cooking, cleaning, many kinds of service are service. But Hari Katha Ruchina Vile Panda Seisa Bisak Sena Katha Suja Not Padu Jodiruti Sprama Evo Hi Kevalam. Learn this verse or not? Not learning. Every day, every day have to learn one sloka. At least 1 month and 10 slokas you have to learn. Every day learn how many slokas? 1 sloka. Not possible 1 sloka. I said, and every 2 days, 3 days, learn 1 sloka. Listen or not? Learning. You have no time. Yes, my Gurudev, every day he learned 10 to 15 slokas. Every day, not every month. How many? Every single day. My Gurudev life history, read or not? Pawan Goswami Maharaj life history. Unique and unparalleled. You cannot compare the life history of Srila Gurudev Narayan Goswami Maharaj. Pawan Goswami Maharaj. Completely different.
It's very sharp memory. It's very sharp memory.
So many times Srila Gurudev Narayan Goswami Maharaj glorified about Pawan Goswami Maharaj. Srila Gurudev Narayan Goswami Maharaj told. Pawan Goswami Maharaj, his memory was very strong. So just I also explain this way. And all acharyas, they have what is it called? Vasishtha. Is it true? But when we discuss about Pawan Goswami Maharaj, his life is extraordinary. Understand? This is true. Just also coming in this way. What did he say? ये शुद्ध सत्य विशेषात्मा प्रेम स्वजंस प्रेम स्वयं रुचि विचित्त भावोचित शुद्ध सत्य विशेषात्मा प्रेम स्वजंस सम्मुख भाग रुचि भी चित्त स्मर्शन क्रीडसु भावोचित रुचि कथा रुचि रुचि understand taste you are hungry then taste will come. If you are not hungry, okay, he can speak, he can kirtan, do this. Generally coming. Ruchi Mula Bhakti. That is called Raganuga Bhakti. Is also one name is called Ruchi Mula Bhakti also. Understand? Raganuga Bhakti many names, Vaidhi Bhakti many names also. How many names of Vaidhi Bhakti? Voila. Vaidhi Bhakti is name? Oisarja Mula Bhakti. Oisarja means opulence. Bhayutpadika Bhakti. Remember, Vaidhi Bhakti is how many names? Bhayutpadika. Sadhana is Shastra Sasanmayi Bhakti also. Write down. Every day I will tell, every day you will forget. Shastra Sasan Mai Bhakti. Vaidhi Bhakti is name. You have many names. Passport name, nickname, house name. Shastra Sasan. Shastra Sasan on Mai. Shastra is giving the injunction. Or you do this. Bhayotpadika, Bhayutpadika, Bhayutpadika Bhakti. Vaidhi Bhakti is the name of it. Bhayutpadika Bhakti. Bhayutpadika. Bhay means fear. Or if you don't follow these rules, they will go hell. So for this regard, he is following the rules. For this regard, this Vaidhi Bhakti, this name is called Bhai Utpadika Bhakti, Bhayutpadika Bhakti. What do you say? Shastra Sasanmai Bhakti. What is Shastra Sasanmai Bhakti? Shastra Sasan. Or the scriptures. This will do this, Shastra Sasana. Chastised too much. Conditional soul need is what? Chastisement. So for this regard, Vaidhi Bhakti is one name is called Shastra Sasan Mai Bhakti. Bhayutpadika. Bhay means fear. Utpadika, create the fear. Oh, if I not follow these rules, maybe I will go hell. So for this regard, I am practicing this bhakti. So this bhakti, for this regard, Vaidhi Bhakti, this name is called also Bhayutpadika Bhakti. Shastramsam. Another? Oisarjamai Bhakti. Oisarjamai opulence. He is Bhagavan. I am his insignificant servant. This mode will come. For this regard, Hitkampan coming. Hitkampan, understand? Trembling your heart. He is great. I am insignificant person. This is Mudika. So now coming in this way, Raganuga Bhakti is again. How many names of Raganuga Bhakti? Already I told Raganuga Bhakti, one name is called Ruchi Mula Bhakti. Raganuga Bhakti name is called Ruchi Mula Bhakti. Savhaviki Bhakti also. Savhaviki means spontaneous. Many names also coming in this. Lobhamai Bhakti. Raganuga Bhakti, another name is called also Lobhamai Bhakti. Lobha means greed. Greed will come. And listen, when sadhak, he is hearing, listening, the pastimes of Krishna's parikar, there is the one kind of greed coming in his heart. Just like given his Mother Jasoda, she is nourishment to Krishna, and he has so much love and affection with Srimati Krishna. And there is Vatsalya Bhav, parental mood, motherhood mood coming. When he listens this katha, that time automatically in his heart these types of these are coming. But here is one thing. I am the father of Krishna. That is called Ahangruposana will come. That is the dangerous. Ahangruposana. Ahangruposana means is thinking, I am the father of Krishna. Sadhaka cannot do this. I serve to Krishna under guidance of Nanda Maharaj, who is the eternal father of Krishna. Do you understand? This is the otherwise Ahangruposana will come. You are thinking, I am Nanda Maharaj, I am Lalita, I am Vishakha, I am Radha, I am Subal, I am Madhubanga. This is called Ahangruposana will come. Sadhak always this way. I serve to Krishna under guidance of Krishna's Nitya Parikar. I serve to Krishna. Which mode? Madhurya mode, sweetness mode. But how to serve to Krishna with mood, sweetness mode? I serve to Krishna. I serve to Srimati Radhika under guidance of Rupa Manjari, Rati Manjari, this mode. I am Rati Manjari, or I am Rupa Manjari, I am Radha Lalita Vishakha. That is called Ahangruposana will come. That is very dangerous. Bhakti should be always under guidance. That is called, what is English word? Anugattamayi seva. Bhakti always Anugattamayi seva. To serve our Ishtadev under guidance of pure devotee of Lord. This is the process. So now coming in this Vaidhi Bhakti is many names, and also Raganuga Bhakti is many names also there. Don't forget the names of Vaidhi Bhakti and Raganuga Bhakti. So just we also explain when sadhak will come in the stage of Bhav Bhakti. There are 9 external symptoms and 3 internal symptoms will come. Many times we discuss. So for this regard, and we are not saying same things also. Just give some hints. Kantravarta kalatam virakti mana sunnata asavandhu samatkanta nama gane sadaruchi asakti tad gunanukhane pratita vasati sthale itto surajato bhavam kuri jane. This is the external 9 symptoms of Bhava. 3 internal symptoms of Bhava. That is called Bhagavat Prapti Lalsa. 3 longing will come. Longing means greed. लोग भगवत प्राप्ति अभिलाषा है, अभी लालसा, आशा, लालसा है। आशा मीन्स होप है, अभिलाषा संस्कृत वर्ड ओभी अभी और प्लस लाशा, अभिलाषा है। अभी मीन्स डायरेक्ट सर्व और लाशा is लाश मीन्स greed. How we will serve to our Ishtadev directly. Huh?
Direct means in the
Direct meaning in front, like
Huh?
not
Direct.
not in my mind.
Directly is service.
actual
But here the direct, how to serve? Under guidance of Nitya Siddhas Parikar. So this is called the Abhilasha. Abhi, that is the Upasarga. Proper Abhi, the women is direct. And in Sanskrit word sometimes they use this word Abhi. Lasa means lalsa, greed. As Raghunath Das Goswami, he is showing to us how greed will come in our heart. Sirupa Manjari Kararchita Pada Padamo Gushtandana Bhujarvita Mastakaya Ha Mudata Kanaka Gauri Padarabindam Sanvayani Sanakistava Kim Karis. This types of looking, greed coming. Chanting holy names, remembering pastimes of Srimati Radhika, then this lila automatically comes. Greed comes. Sirupa Manjari Kararchita Pad Padma. Sirupa Manjari very nicely, gently and softly massaging the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. Then his greed coming. Raghunath Das Guru is saying these words, showing to us actually. The Sirupa Manjari Kararchita Pada Padma Gushtandra Bhujarvita Mastakaya Ha Mandata Gauri Kanakabind Sanvayani Sanakistava Kim Karise. Hey Rupa Manjari, you are servicing. You are servicing the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. So you give me this types of service, lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. So that means serve to Srimati Radhika under guidance of Rupa Manjari. That is called Rupa Manjari's Anugattamai Seva. Great come. This Rupa Manjari Kararchita Pada Padma Gushtandana Bhujarvita Mastakaya Ha Madhata Kanaka Gauri Padarabindam Sanvayani Sanakaistava Kim Karishe. So Abhilasha. What do you say?
greed for direct.
Abhilasha is called. Or another Sauhridda Abhilasha. All this use this word Abhilasha. Sauhridda Abhilasha. To make the friendship with the devotees of Radha and Krishna. Sauhridda friendship mode. So this is coming in this. Sauhridda Abhilasha. Then Bhagavat Prapti Lalasa. Three lalasa is coming. Anukula Abhilasha. And all these are Abhilasha, they are saying this. And three Abhilasha coming. Bhagavat Prapti Abhilasa, Sauhridya Abhilasa, then Anukulla Abhilasa. This saying this word. Anukul, which are favorable for to serve. That greed is coming. Unfavorable service no need. I don't want to serve to Krishna under guidance of Chandravali. I serve to Krishna under guidance of Srimati Radhika. Look this. I serve to Krishna under guidance of Chandravali. That is the opposite mood will come. Particular mood will come. And I serve to Krishna under guidance of Srimati. Because Krishna is Visaya Vigraha. Krishna is called the object of the divine love. Srimati Radhika, she is called the Ashraya Vigraha, shelter of divine love. Akar Visaya Vigraha, Krishna. Krishna is called the origin, Visaya Vigraha. All gopis, their aim and object is how to serve to Krishna, how to give the exclusive pleasure to Krishna. Sometimes Brahma Bhav, sometimes Dakshina Bhav, sometimes left wing's mood, and sometimes right wing's mood. Anyhow. This is it. Srimati Radhika, she serves to Krishna. Krishna Seva. So saying in this way, they all are aim and object serve to Krishna, who is called the embodiment of Visaya Vigraha Krishna. Akar Visaya Vigraha. Use this word. Akar means origin, mool. Akar Visaya Vigraha Krishna. Or how to serve to Krishna under guidance of Srimati Radhika. Radha Anugattamayi Seva. Srimati Radhika, she serves to Krishna. From morning to midnight, midnight to evening, midnight to morning. Different service. Early in the morning, she goes to Nandagaon. Why? Cook for Krishna. This lila is going this way. She is cooking for Krishna. Krishna cooks for her or not? You heard? So, Srimati Radhika, she cooks. Cooks or not? Srimati Radhika, she cooks. Says, Radhikar pakkanna vividha vyanjan Paramanande Krishna karena bhojan. Radhikar pakkanna. Pakka means cook. Srimati Radhika, she cooks for Krishna. So, Radhikar pakkanna vividha vyanjan Paramanande Krishna karena bhojan. She every day used to come in Nandagaon, in the house of Nanda Maharaj. Understand? So she cooks or not? Yes. Which cooks best? Srimati Radhika.
Cooks the same preparation.
Pardon?
I heard she never cooks the same preparation twice. Everything something new. Is that true?
Srimati Radhika.
Yes, I heard that everything is
Different items. But what is called? Sri Krishna Bhavanamrit, Govinda Lilamrit. Grantha also explain. Srimati Radhika, she cooks for different preparation for Krishna. Understand? So these things. The Sanskrit word that is called Randhan Silpa. What do you say? The art of cooking. Randhan Silpa. You read Jagadharma also use this word. Cooking. Mother cooks or father cooks look different. In this material world, the male person cooking and female cooking, different. Is it true? Sakha's cook or not? We never heard.
Never here. It's not so much glorified. It's never mentioned. So.
What I am saying, I am speaking about Shastra. You are not Sakha, you are not Sokhi. You are stupid nonsense. You think I am Sakha, I am Sokhi. This is a. Now, how to realize your Sarup? They don't understand. Now all you are imposing, Arup. This is true. You are male person or female person, this is not subject. When you cook, you are thinking, I am not servicing. Who is servicing? Srimati Radhika. Srimati Radhika, she is cooking. Just I am assist to her, helping. This mood is. Because now you have so many bodily conceptions. The Atma Buddhi. I am man, I am female, I am that. When you will be served, seva will come. When you completely perform all kinds of material designation. So for the bhakti's definition is called. What is the definition of bhakti? This is the highest. Sevanam hisikesa sevanam bhaktiruchyate. Sarvopadhi binur muktam. Sarvo upadhi binur muktam. Tatparittana nirmalam hisikesa sevanam bhaktiruchyate. Sarva upadhi virtu, one who completely performs all kinds of material designation. Sarvapadi vinamukta. Tatparitana nirmanam, then his heart will neat and clean. Sarvapadi vinamuktam tatpara nirmuktam. Hisikesa sevanam bhaktiruchyate. Then you serve to Krishna, who is the supreme controller of all the senses. So for this Krishna he is called Hishikesh. Learn this verse. Sarvapadi vinurmuktam tatparitana nirmanam hisikena hisikesa sevanam bhaktiruchyate. All you learn high class slokas. But this sloka is not learning. Anna vilasita suna. This is the topmost definition of bhakti. This is true. But first learn this sloka also. What sloka? Sarvopadi vinirmuktam tatparitana nirmanam hisikena hisikesa sevanam bhaktiruchyate. Sapana rukti isari iti bhakti. Bhakti means seva. Sa paranurukti rishyate iti bhakti. One deep attachment with the Lord. That is called bhakti. Sa paranurukti rishyate iti bhakti. Because if you deep attachment to someone, then automatically your seva vritti will come. If you deep attachment with someone, then automatically your seva vritti will come. Or if you are not attachment, seva vritti will not come. Mother, she has so much attachment with her baby. For this she is servicing, taking care of her baby. So for this Upanishad is saying this way, Sa paranurukti rishyate iti bhakti. Para anurukti, para anurukti. Sa paranurukti rishyate iti bhakti. You understand it? If you love someone, even the material love, what do you say to that transcendental love? Transcendental love is very higher. Even you have love, then what will seva vritti will come. How to give pleasure? You give pleasure. Seva will come. To servicing. If you love Thakurji, then to serve to Thakurji. Anywhere. We have so much love and affection with the cloth, body. So for this regard, we are taking care. Taking care or not? Or if you have no love and affection with the body, what happened? No problem. This is true. If you have asakti, attachment with the body, then you will take care of body. Putting oil, many kinds of creams, put. Understand? Many kinds, they automatically come in. Just I give an example. Attachment is a give the signal, sign to serve. So this is for this reason. So for the Upanishad giving these ones. Sa paranurukti ishare, one who had deep attachment with the Lord. Ishar. That's your bhakti. Here is not direct using this the seva. Sa paranurukti ishare iti bhakti. It's short word. Slok. Small words, no? Slok. 1/4 line. Not complete line. 1/4 line. Actually, thanks. Sa paranurukti rishyate iti bhakti. But when we analyzed, then we say this. Or then another slok, what did he say? Bhakti's definition? Sarvopadi vinirmuktam tat paritana nirmalam hisikena hisikesa sevanam bhaktira uchyate. Bhakti is bhakti different stages. Then Rupa Goswami Pad more modified these slokas. What is saying? Anna vilasita sunnam jnana karmadana britam anukuleno krishnanu sivanam sevanam bhakti sarvapadi vinirmuktam tatpartam nirmanam. No. Anna vilasita sunnam jnana karmadana britam anukuleno krishnanu silanam bhakti uttama. They are saying uttama bhakti, highest devotional service to Lord. This is the highest. We are always talking about highest stage, but not one talking to lowest stage. We have to both. This thing was. So now coming in this way. Raganuga, we discussed about Vaidhi Bhakti and Raganuga Bhakti. There are many names of Raganuga Bhakti, there are many names of Vaidhi Bhakti. So, sometimes we give also topmost example who can serve to Krishna. Srimati Radhika. Chaitanya Charitamrita give an example. Because Srimati Radhika, अकेले Srimati Radhika जाने कृष्ण हृदय. Only Srimati Radhika, she knows the heart of Krishna. And she can fulfill all the desires of Krishna. Sarva vancha purti kare aradhane atev Radhika nam purane vakhane. Why her name is called Radha? सर्व वांछा पूर्ति करे आराधने अतएव राधिका नाम पुराणे वाखने. देवी कृष्ण में प्रोक्ता राधिका पर देवता सर्व लक्ष्मीमयी सर्वकांति सन्मोहिनी पर है. राधा ने देवी कही दुतमना परमा सुंदरी किंवा कृष्ण क्रीडार बसते नगरी. आदमी देवी देवी कृष्णमयी दिव्यति क्रीडयति इति देवी. शी ऑलवेज प्लेइंग डांसिंग विथ कृष्ण. राधा नाचे कृष्ण नाचे नाचे गोपी गोपी और देवी कृष्ण में देहार निमित्त देवी और देवी को ही दत्तमाना परमा सुंदरी किंबा कृष्ण क्रीडार बसते नगरी. देवयती क्रीड़ा देवी को ही दत्तमाना परमा सुंदरी इज वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. देवी को दत्तमाना परमा सुंदरी. हर ब्यूटी इज यूनिक एंड unparalleled. So Devi kahi dutamana parame. Kingva Krishna Kridar Basati Nagari. All her limbs and body, everything is what? For the pleasure of Krishna. And look at this. Transcendental world. How Krishna is performing what is called Leela. This is Leela. So for this, Krishna Vancha Purti Kare Aradhane. Srimati Radhika, she fulfilled all the desires of Krishna. So Krishna Vancha Purti Kare Aradhane. Atev Radhika Nam Purane Vakhane. This is simple. So when you give the example, topmost example, only Srimati Radhika, she can serve to Krishna. So for this regarding you think, Akar Visavigraha Krishna, the origin Visavigraha Krishna. Krishna is called the supreme enjoyer. Or except Krishna, everybody is what? Enjoy. Vaishnava philosophy, there are two things are there. Visavigraha and Asra Vigraha. So for this, Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada explained our aim and object. Serve to Krishna, who is called the origin Visaya Vigraha. But how to serve Krishna, who is the origin Visaya Vigraha? Object the divine life. But under guidance of Akar Asra Vigraha Srimati Radhika. Radha Anugattamayi Seva. Radha Anugattamayi Seva. If you serve to Krishna, you have to come in the channel of Srimati Radhika. This is the process also. So, or Krishna, he served to Srimati Radhika. How? In the channel of the Manjari. Krishna cannot direct serve to Srimati Radhika. If Krishna is thinking, I will serve to Srimati Radhika, what will do? Take shelter of lotus feet of Manjari's gopis. Then Manjari, they will give to chance to serve Srimati Radhika, not one. Oh, look, very nice color. This is called Rasa Tattva. You understand? So, Radha Anugattamai Krishna Seva, Krishna Anugattamai Radha Seva. So many things in there. So, sadhana bhakti then, bhav bhakti then, prema bhakti will come. And so now coming in this way is seva, service. And so Raghunath Das Goswami in his Grantha so much Igaran is coming and he is acting as like a sadhak. But he is not sadhak. He is acting role. Sadhaka rupeno, siddha rupeno. Sadhak roop and siddha roop. Sadhak roop nam sankirtan. Chanting holy names. Sankha prabhaka nama gananati vikalavasana krito. Nidrahara vihara kadivijitam chattam janocho. Radha Krishna gunasmate madhirima anandana sanmohito. Vande rupa sanatano raghujugo sijiva gopalako. 6 Goswamis. Vandana. Our Siddharup in his absorbed in his Siddha Swarup. And also servicing there. Rupa Manjari, Rati Manjari, how they are servicing. Cooking, servicing, different. Service is there. Tammula Arpana Pada Mardana Payudana Abhisara Devi. Their service also. Manjari Seva. Tammula Arpanam. Offering betel nut. Tammula Arpanam. Pada Sevanam. Massaging the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. Tammula Arpanam Pada Sevanam. Offering water. Payudanam. Offering water. Offering camphor. Different size. Offering betel nuts. Cleaning the kunja with the brooms. Jhadu. So, Tammula Arpanam Padam Arjanam Payudana Abhisara Devi. Abhisar. When Srimati Radhika, she goes to meet with her beloved Krishna. That time their manjaris, they are going very close to. Madhura Madhura Nisang Jaturdbhasita. Srimati Radhika, she is going to meet with her beloved Krishna. That time very confidential, 1 or 2 manjaris of Srimati Radhika. Then going. Duti Skandanastasta. That in Srimati, how she is going? Hold the shoulder of one manjari with his hand. And she is going. And she is very afraid, shy. Also. So she is very shy. If anything happens, then she is afraid. And if she see any tree, sometimes it is no leaves, just 2 branches here. When Srimati Radhika says, you can see afraid, she may be thinking, or maybe someone here standing. Koi khadi hui. She is afraid. Vilap Kusumanjali Grantha. Very nicely explained this katha also. Many slokas, many also lila is there. Our Goswamis, when they wrote the slokas, everything is all lila manifested in their heart. Not just the right. All lila is there. What is the time now? Adam. And then again we will go. 10:30, 11 o'clock. Okay. You learn the version. Tammularpana padamardana payudana visara devi vindaranna maheswaring priyata jattos anti priya prana prishta sakhi kuladapi Krasankochita bhumika keli bhumisu rupa manjari mukhastadasika aham sangsrayi. Learn Tammula arpana pado mardana payudana visaradivi. Vrindaranna maheswaring priyataya jat तोष अंत प्रिय प्राण पृष्ठ सखी कुलादपि किलास संकोचिता भूमिका केली भूमिषु रूप मंजरी मुखस्तदासिका हम संश्रयित. Understand or not? Chalo. Or you can slok in Jaiva Dharma, everything. Or Bhajan Rasya Grantha also there. What is the time now? 9:15. Okay, finish. Then after 1 and after 2. There nobody coming.
You have 28 people on your live video. You have 28 people watching here.
Purtimanandi Hari Hari Balavindavan Vyari Lal Ki Jai. Jai Jai Shri Ram. Jai Jai Shri Ram. Miami good, eh? Morning walk. Then sitting Hari Katha. Mahaprasad.
We didn't do morning walk today, Gurudev.
It's raining. You go. You go. Why not go?
I don't want to go now.
Chalo. It's raining, eh?